The Russian Defense Ministry on Sunday claimed that they carried out deadly missile strikes in Ukraine's troops' barracks in retaliation for the deaths of dozens of Russian soldiers in a rocket attack a week ago, in which at least 89 soldiers had died. The ministry further added that more than 600 Ukrainian soldiers were killed, a claim which Ukraine has denied. Russian Defense Ministry spokesman Igor Konashenkov said that its missiles hit two barracks housing 1,300 Ukrainian troops in Kramatorsk, killing 600 of them. Russian forces continued their attacks despite President Vladimir Putin's declaration of a 36-hour Christmas ceasefire that ended on Sunday midnight as per Moscow time. However, spokesperson for Ukraine's forces in the east, Serhiy Cherevati, told the media that the Russian strikes on Kramatorsk damaged only civilian infrastructure and the Ukrainian troops weren't affected. The Donetsk Regional Administration said that 7 Russian missiles hit Kramatorsk and 2 more hit Kostiantynivka without causing any casualties. It said that an education institution, an industrial facility and garages were damaged in Kramatorsk and an industrial zone was hit in Kostiantynivka. This recent attack on Ukrainian barracks by Russia was in retaliation to the attack by the Ukrainian forces at a facility in Makivka. Ukrainian forces fired rockets in the early hours of January 1st in Makivka, where Russian soldiers were stationed, killing dozens of them in one of the deadliest attacks on the Kremlin forces since the war began more than 10 months ago. Also on Sunday, the Ukrainian military claimed to have hit a residential hall of a medical university in Rubizne, a town in the Russian-occupied eastern Luhansk region, killing 14 Russian soldiers housed there. The number of wounded was unknown, it said. The latest development comes after Russian forces ended a partially observed ceasefire timed to coincide with Orthodox Christmas celebrations on Saturday. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky said in a video address released on Sunday that Russian strikes on Kramatorsk and other cities were on civilian targets and were carried out when Moscow was talking about alleged truce. He called the attacks new threats to Europe and the world. Zelensky said that the world has once again seen the Russia lies and that no attempt by Russia to manipulate diplomacy and policies will ever work again.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.